yeah, so this is not the way I wanted to do an update, but this is how y'all about to get it, okay? So I am officially 1 week away from my breast reduction surgery or whatever, whatnot. Yeah, I do have on a too small bra right now, y'all. Don't judge me. It's a t-shirt one. Yeah, so I'm officially 1 week away, and so my doctor for my pre-op appointment, he gave me this booklet of all this stuff that I shouldn't be doing. So for now, I'm going to have to gracefully bow out of the 30-33 challenge because I can no longer consume the tea, the NRG, or whatever. The only thing that he gave me the green light to continue taking up until surgery is the NutriBurst, because it's just a vitamin. But he told me, you know, detox gotta stop, energy pills gotta stop, energy drinks, anything like that has to stop. You know, I be using stuff like that. So yeah, so I won't be able to consume the tea right now. So I mean, that's that. I knew this was coming, you know what I'm saying? I didn't necessarily think I would have to like stop taking it like a whole week out, but you know, I knew my surgery was going to be on the 4th, so it was going to be before the actual 30 days was going to be up. And you know, I mean, that's all fine and dandy or whatever, but I just want you guys to know I'm not like dropping out or nothing or whatever. I'm going to continue to take my NutriBurst, you know what I'm saying, and eat right. To the best of my ability, you know what I'm saying? Because your girl been kind of a little bit of stress eating and stuff, I ain't gonna lie. And you know, but yeah, I did lose 4 pounds. I thought it was 5 because that's what it was saying at first, you know what I'm saying? It was like 225 on the scale, but yesterday it ended up being 226. And so now today TMI, but I'm on my cycle now, and so I know if I step on a scale, I'm probably 6 pounds heavier, because that's just, I don't know, for some reason I weigh extremely heavier. I'm sure everybody probably do, but yeah, I know for sure I do. So you know what, at this point, like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and claim that you know, that 225, which is fine, because you know I was at 230, because I told you guys that I had you know, kind of went up again, not doing what I was supposed to do and stuff like that. Hey babe. And so yeah, so you know, that's just one of those things. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a really quick update or whatever, and I shall see you guys tomorrow, because I have some things that I want to go ahead and talk about. Yeah, but until then, I hope everybody's doing like really good and everything. Also, I have some tea for sale. I got some NRG, NutriBurst, Matrix, Alleviate, yeah, all that good stuff. So if y'all need it, you know, hit me up. I will ship it to you, 2-day shipping. So see you guys later.